Okay, guys, it is the time for the $500 trading tips, and we'll be checking this out right here in this video. However, before I go fully into it, in case you are joining me for the first time, I welcome you all to Qora Digital Cash. And if you love the content you're getting from here, kindly give me a follow right now, like this video, and share this video with friends and family. Okay, so quickly, let's go straight into what we have right here. These are the assets that we'll be checking out. Everything I will be doing in this video is going to be based on my own personal analysis, trading tools, and the exact time frame I will be using. The performance also depends on when you are seeing this video. If you are not joining me live and direct, then you will have to have a recheck on the charts before you can follow up with the analysis. Okay, so quickly, let's go straight into what we have right here, starting with GainX 1200. This is Ganex 1200. This had been on downtrend for a while, but after getting to this support zone, it started an uptrend, and of course, it is still buying at the moment. So this is still more of a buying opportunity than a selling opportunity, guys. Next asset is going to be GainX 999. This is GainX 999. GainX 999 had been on uptrend for a while and it has been buying. Okay, so and of course, guys, it is still buying at the moment, just the way we are saying is okay. If it breaks out above the next resistance zone, it is going to buy more. If it does not, it will go back on downtrend. Okay, so we should understand that. Okay, so this is still more of a buying opportunity than a selling opportunity. Now let's move on to PayNext 1200. This is Paynex 1200. It went on buy trend last week, and you remember we actually moved this particular asset, but it has gotten to this resistance zone. It has not been able to break out above the resistance zone. So right now it's going back on downtrend. Okay, so this is going to sell more. So we should expect more of a selling opportunity than a buying opportunity. So the next asset is going to be Paynex 999. Let's check it out together. This is Paynex 999. It's actually went on downtrend, got to this support region. It was unable to break out from there. So it started an uptrend and it has been buying since then. It's targeting this resistance zone. If it breaks out above it, it's going to buy more. If it does not, it will go back on downtrend. But for now, it is buying. Okay. So the last asset is going to be FX volume 80. Okay, this is FX volume 80. FX volume 80 had been on downtrend for a while, got to this region, had a pullback because it was unable to break out below the support zone, but it went back down to break out below it, and it has been on downtrend since then. Okay, so even though it's trying to go back on uptrend, but it is yet to go fully. Okay, so if it breaks out below this support zone, it's going to sell more. If it does not, it's going to buy more. Okay, so this is very, very important. We expect it to buy from there, except if it breaks out below the support zone, that is when it's going to sell more. Okay, so these are all that we are able to come up with tonight. All you just need to do is just for you to understand every part of the analysis and apply them carefully whenever you are trading. For those of you who are here to perfect your trading skill, kindly go back to the channel, watch my training videos, practice very well on your demo account before trying them out on your real account. And if you love this content, kindly drop your um kindly give me a like right now, and of course do not forget to follow this channel. Okay, and if you have any question, kindly drop your question down there in the comment section. Watch out for my next video. Until then, God